Hi, my name is Alice, and today I'm going to teach you to draw with graphite. Okay. So does everyone have their piece of paper? Yeah? Alright, let's make a small line. Whoosh. Then we'll make a small line here. And then you go over to the other side and connect. Then you make a pretty little bow. Now, at the end of this video, I'll show you my methods clearly, yeah? Okay, and then you can draw your favorite design. What is your favorite design on this thing? Now, make sure that it's not too long, like for example, like something like a balloon, which goes all the way here. Because we are at the end of this video. Then you will see how. So if you want to do this, which I'm doing, and I'm going a little bit too fast, well then I'll show you it on the end of the video, how I did this. But if I start to share it and you think, oh, I already did something else, then you can also pause the video and stop. Okay, so now, if you have this, then you can make a little firework. A firework like this. A line, a line, a line, a line, a line. And then a small circle in it. A line, a line, a line, and a line. And a small circle in it. And one more. A line, a line, a line, a line. And a small circle in it. So, does everyone have this? Yeah? Okay. Now, then you can write a name that you think, that's a nice name. You can write it anywhere. You can write it on here if you still have some space, or you can make a small tag like I'm doing. So then you have like one line and then wigwags. One line wigwags. And then one line again. And then whoosh and whoosh. And then you make this. And then write your favorite name that you know. I would like that if my dog or my cat or an elephant that I got, that it will have. Its name will be like that. Okay, and then when you're finished with it, then you can look. Do you like the fireworks? Yes. Do you like the box? Yes. Do you like the tag? Yes. Is there something missing? Maybe you will add a small toy or anything you can add with it. I'm not gonna make another gift, but you can also say, I'm gonna leave it with this big one. You can also say, I'm gonna do a lot of small ones. Or you can say, I'm gonna do a humongous one and a very small one. And I would like to do a very big one, a smaller, and a smaller one.